welcome to today's class. Today I want to teach you how to cut and draft different types of trousers. We have different types like pencil trouser, straight trouser and palazzo trouser. So majorly, I'm teaching you how to draft these three types of trouser and how to cut it. So follow me as I input all the measurements here. Any type of trouser you want to cut, measurements needed are trouser length, thigh, waist, hip and knee circumference. So for this trouser, the trouser length I'm working with is 39, thigh 24, waist circumference 28, hip 36.6. So every drafting you have to draw your border line and your starting line. So I'm marking out 5 inches and mark another starting line. This is to enable me to draft other types of trouser I'm going to be teaching you in this tutorial. So 5 inches is marked all done. So after marking that 5 inches, the next thing is to mark out the trouser length. So this trouser has band of 2 inches. You are going to pull that 2 inches up and mark your trouser length, then add your allowance, folding allowance, which you've seen how it is done. So I'm going to, after the marking the trouser length, I'm going to mark every other point needed in the trouser. So the next thing is the hip. The hip is 36 divided by 4, that is 9. So I'm going to mark 9 from my new starting line. So I'm going to mark the 9 inches down. Then I'm going to decide my crotch length. How will you get your crotch length? Is your thigh divided by 2. So thigh is 24 inches divided by 2, that is 12. So I took 2 inches band up and measure 10. So on the thigh line, I'm going to take my thigh measurement, which is 24 divided by 2. So I have 12. So with the crotch line, I'm going to make my curve from there. I take 2 inches up, then dot it and make my curve. So now we've gotten our crotch and our thigh. Now you are going to divide what you have in your thigh line into 2. So we have 6 inches and I'm going to take that 6 inches down. Then I'm going to dot the lines down. I'm dotting it because I don't want to rule it. So I'm going to take down that 6 inches down, and that will serve as my middle point for all the measurements I'm going to be taking. So now I'm going to take the waist circumference, which is 28 inches divided by 4. That gives me 7. I'm adding 1 inch that allowance. That makes 8. Then I'm going to join it together to the hip, as you can see. So the first line is no longer needed. Now I'm going to come to the knee circumference, and at the middle point I'm going to take my knee circumference divided by 2. So the knee circumference I'm working with is 18 inches. So I'm going to find my knee length, and at that knee length I'm going to take my knee circumference. 18 inches divided by 2, that gives me 9. So the 9 inches, I'm going to divide that 9 into 2, which will give me 4.5. And I'm going to centralize that 4.5 and mark 4.5 at both ends. And I'm going to transfer that same measurement to the ankle length measurement. So, and join all the lines together. So this is how to construct your pencil trouser. So at the other side, I'm going to join the lines together. Look at how I join them together. So that gives us our pencil trouser. Now if you are going for a straight trouser, what you have at the thigh, you have maintained the same all through to the knee circumference and your ankle circumference. As you can see, I did it here. Now another type of trouser I quickly want to show you is this type of trouser that look like this booty cut jeans. So you are going to slash it through at this middle part to the knee length. So you slash it, then you spread. Look at how I will slash it. Then you slash to the side, both sides, so you will slash it. Then you spread it and insert another pattern. Insert it, then you spread it. This will give you more volume at the down part, making you to have a bigger volume at the down part, and it's going to look very neat. So you retake your measurement for what you have at the side and you mark it at the middle point, then you join them together. You can spread it as you like. This is how it's going to look like. It's going to be pencil at the upper part and free at the down part. So now this is not where we are going. Let's check the next type of trouser. So the next type of trouser I want to show you is palazzo. Now you remember the 5 inches that we left at the side of the trouser before we draw another starting point. So you are going to make use of that. From the tie line, you are going to make a slant line. You look at how it's being done. You are going to slant the line to the edge of the line at the down part, exactly like this. Then you go to the crotch also. At that line, you at the other side of the trouser, you are going to mark 5 inches outward too. Then from the tie line, you are going to make the same slant line also like that. So that gives us our palazzo trouser. It is as simple as this. So we have the first one labeled as palazzo, followed by straight trouser, and we have our pencil trouser. Then I gave you a bonus of booty cut trouser. So with this tutorial, I know by now you'll be able to cut any types of trouser, either pencil trouser, straight trouser, or palazzo trouser. So for more tips like this, do it to follow us, like, and also share. Watch out on this page for more tutorials like this. Thank you. Bye bye.